Hey, Space Watchers, and welcome to Space Nuggets of the Week, where we analyze the most important news of the past 7 days. I'm excited to talk about a critical and fascinating topic, planetary protection. Now, when I say Hera, you might thinking of the Greek goddess of marriage, women, and family, but today we are talking about a different Hera, one that's playing a pivotal role in space exploration. Hera is a space mission that launched on October 7, 2024, aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 launch vehicle. For those of you who followed that thrilling, nail-biting moments leading up to the launch, you know it was an event to remember. The launch took place during a brief 20-minute weather window squeezed between a storm and a massive hurricane that hit Florida. But what makes Hera so important? Last month in Berlin, I had the opportunity to talk with the Hera principal investigator, Dr. Michel, to ask precisely that. Listen what he says.
So Hera is so special because this is the European contribution to the first asteroid deflection test with a NASA DART mission. And therefore, it's the investigator that goes back to the impact site of DART to determine how DART deflected this small asteroid and what is now the shape and basically the traces left by DART due to the impact. And it's also special because this is the first mission that takes a spacecraft and 2 CubeSats for deep space operation. So we'll have a mother spacecraft, a big spacecraft doing measurements that will deploy 2 small CubeSats that will go closer to the asteroid, take more risks, and give us very new information, and in particular, the first direct measurement of the internal properties of an asteroid.
Now, let's focus on Hera's role and Germany's significant contribution that I like to point out very proudly. Hera is a European Space Agency mission designed to study the Didymos binary asteroid system, following NASA's DART mission. That was an impact mission 2 years ago. Its goal is to validate methods for deflecting potential Earth-bound asteroids by measuring the crater size, momentum transfer, and debris cloud caused by the impact. Germany is the largest contributor, providing around 130 million euros, about 37% of the total budget, for this mission. The spacecraft was built by OHB in Bremen, with key components like a carbon fiber antenna from Munich-based HBS and radar technology from TU Dresden University of Technology. German researchers are an integral part also on the Hera science team, and the German Space Agency at DLR coordinates the country's contributions funded by the Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Climate Action. This involvement underscores leadership in planetary defense and space innovation. With all this excitement about the mission, ask yourself, is planetary protection really something that a single state, a single agency should do? Here, Hera and DART are ESA and NASA projects. Also, China is active of that in its own circles. But isn't it that humanity should be combined strengths and capabilities? The other issue repeated again and again. We are excited. We are space geeks. But what about the communication to the broader public? Does your friends, your family, your neighbors know about this mission? I think there's still room to improve. But at the end, I like to mention a communication topic that touched me very much. Hera.space, a space companion on AI base created by the host of our podcast, Markus Moslechner. And you, every one of you, can chat with the spacecraft in real time. That is an awesome experience I really like to share with you. I think that is really cool. If you like to hear more about this outstanding mission, we have many Space Cafe podcasts on that topic. You also will find them in the show notes. I invite you to share your thoughts on that nugget. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletters. With that, Space Watch out.